Every journey begins where nature meets precision farming.
Harvests transform still orchards into controlled motion.
Every nut is guided toward its next destination.
Field efficiency protects both yield and quality.
Cleaning begins before the factory ever appears.
Volume is built carefully, layer by layer. Human oversight keeps the process aligned. Harvest gives way to logistics. The raw harvest now moves toward transformation. Movement connects the field to industry.
Timing and coordination keep materials flowing.
The destination becomes unmistakable.
Scale defines modern food processing.
Control begins at the perimeter.
Raw materials are guided with intent. Measurement ensures accountability. Arrival signals the start of processing.
From here, the factory takes over.
Raw volume meets industrial control. The factorial's pulse begins at intake.
Scale reflects demand on a global level.
Protection preserves quality before processing. The threshold marks a controlled environment. Order replaces the chaos of harvest. Gravity is engineered, not trusted.
Human judgment safeguards automation.
Consistency begins with controlled flow. Preparation sets the stage for refinement. Consistency begins with controlled flow.
Unwanted elements are gently removed. Physics becomes a filtering tool.
Safety is engineered at every step.
Cleanliness is non-negotiable.
Preparation continues through careful drying.
Technology assists the human eye.
Only the best are allowed forward. The foundation is now set.
This is where structure begins to change.
Precision defines every break.
Separation is guided by weight and form.
Physics finishes what mechanics began.
Visibility ensures integrity.
Accuracy operates at machine speed.
Nothing imperfect goes unnoticed.
Quality streams become one.
The next transformation awaits.
Heat is applied with exact intent. Change happens at the surface. Nothing unnecessary moves forward. Purity is reinforced. Moisture is removed with care. Data confirms readiness. Stability follows transformation. Efficiency now scales exponentially.
Automation balances speed with control.
Every decision is guided by real-time insight. Consistency is engineered, not assumed. Precision operates at the smallest scale. Efficiency comes from harmony. Clean systems protect clean products. Machines learn from every pass. Flow defines reliability. Technology hands off to refinement. Uniformity defines market readiness. Measurement refines value. Presentation matters. Nothing escapes final review. Perfection is enforced instantly. Many lines, one standard. Consistency is confirmed.
Human confidence seals the process.
Verification is the final safeguard. Final approval begins with verification. Every batch is represented.
Human judgment validates machine output.
Moisture defines shelf life.
Safety is never assumed.
Standards are enforced scientifically.
Traceability ensures accountability. Only verified product proceeds.
Trust is built into every shipment. The final stage shapes product for delivery.
Each unit is perfectly portioned.
Accuracy ensures customer satisfaction.
Packaging transforms units into shipments.
Order meets scale in the warehouse.
Storage preserves quality before shipment.
Distribution carries the factory's promise forward.
And this is how modern factories produce almonds from start to finish.
Every stage, meticulously executed.